Hello everyone, welcome to Lead Talks. This is Arjun Govin, Assistant Professor at Lead College of Management, Palakkad. Here I am with an interesting topic. It's none other than social media recruitment. By the name social media, what does come in your mind? Is it WTF, WhatsApp, Twitter, Facebook, or is it the current buzzword Instagram? Obviously, yes, these are very familiar to you all. We have been using social media since almost 1997. By then, there was a social media named 6 Degrees. Coming so far to 2020, we are using n number of social media platforms to portray ourselves. From time immemorial, we humans have a tendency to communicate, and after all, social media is for communication. What is so attractive in this? What makes this social media so attractive? We get an opportunity to talk to a lot of people, share our personal info to them, portray ourselves as the best through those social media platforms. This is considered as one of the fastest communication medium, and thus we all prefer to be in social media platforms, aren't we? But lately, due to this COVID-19 pandemic situation, we are entering to a new normal wherein we find it hard to talk to people, to communicate to people face to face, wherein these days we noticed that social media platforms have heavy flow of people because they find these as the medium to interact with fellow beings. We have also noticed that the industry norms are changing. People find it hard to physically be available to attend an interview or to work, and thus came the work from home concept. So the total norms are changing, and this has become the new norm. Certain industries are forced to update their standards and as well as to adapt. Taking from the Darwin's theory of survival, the industry demands survival of the fittest. And we have seen there is natural selection in nature, and likewise the industrial standards are changing, and that puts pressure on individuals to change accordingly. Now, coming to the point of recruitment, what do you intend by recruitment? Is the process wherein candidates are hired? Obviously no. This is the place, this is a situation wherein the probable candidates, the potential candidates are attracted to apply for a job position which may actually be there or it may be anticipated. So an anticipated or actual job requirement can be filled in by making the potential candidates to apply for that job, and that is recruitment. We have seen n number of ways companies do recruit people. We have seen them transferring people from one department to the other, or we have seen them promoting people who are in the pipeline to reach the higher levels of the hierarchy. We have seen n number of times, even in movies, that people stand on the factory gate looking for some opportunity to work on a daily wage. So there are n number of ways how people are recruited, but the buzzword of today is social media recruitment. There is no need of physical presence, there is no need of physical application, just a virtual thing would do. And for that, there are n number of social medias which provide opportunity for professional networking as well. LinkedIn is one of those. We have seen that nowadays people don't use the physical resume or CV. They prepare a video resume or a digital resume which can be easily shared just like that to anyone across the globe. And that is the best way to present yourself in front of the company. Now, coming over to social media. Why social media? If you would look at the trend, current trend, everybody is there on social media. It is a talent database. You get into LinkedIn, you get n number of people who are professionals. You get an opportunity to talk to them, interact with them, get to know them better even better than what is possible in this physical world in this particular COVID time. It is even better than certain job portals wherein you find people do fake details about themselves. Rather, in case of social media, you can find that people don't fake to that extent. They would like to portray themselves better. Now, coming to the selection part of it, does recruitment alone help in identifying the right candidate? No, it only helps people to get connected to the requirements, that's all. Now, talking about the reach or the intensity in which the communication happens, if you look at these platforms, that is far better than any conventional way which is followed in the industry. Now, talking about a fact, I just came to a recent study, a report by Broadband India Forum. It says that rural economy in India will boom and there will be requirement to hire from rural India. And at that point of time, new technological bases like artificial intelligence and IoT will govern, and thus social media recruitment will have a positive impact at that point of time. And also the technology that we are using today for the next 8 to 10 years will help hire almost 3 million people. Thus, we can see in our near future, social media recruitment will be the new normal. Thank you one and all.